Well, a very good evening to you wherever you are. I do hope that you can
Hello,
join me
everybody,
in
and
appreciating
welcome
this
to
truly
today's
beautiful
match.
evening. A night that is
Argentina
absolutely ideal for a game of football.
Croatia.
The scenes here really are something, a beautiful picture under the floodlights. Traffic and transport round here, not the kindest, but regardless of that, the fans have found a way of getting here. There is a sense of theatre and the decibel levels are rising. And this must be amongst the favoured arenas of supporters all over the world. It really does have a very special feel to it. Two high-profile, high-caliber teams. This is a welcome event for all these supporters.
Well, under normal circumstances, this is a massive matchup, and I'm not totally in agreement with the view that friendlies tend to take the edge away. In my experience, if the opposition go at it full tilt, then you have to reciprocate. We'd like to see excitement and be entertained, but if it does go down the serious route, there'll still be lots to enjoy.
And as you can see, we've already started here. Jim, which player is best equipped for this game?
Yeah, Luka Modric. He's someone, Peter, who reads the game that little bit quicker than everyone else. He's got fantastic technique too, and that allows him to weigh his through balls to near perfection, as well as keep hold of it when he's under pressure. He's a real leader out there, someone who can take control of the game and maintain it.
Yes, they'll certainly be leaning heavily on him. Poor pass that, sloppy. Gomez. Now it's Martinez. And it's intense, this pressure from the front. Lovren.
Oh look, this is about as tentative as it comes. Hopefully a football match will break out soon.
He is through here. Well, the defence proved infallible then, but that won't be the last they'll see of him. Vardiol. Vardiol. If you have just joined us, you'll be glad to know that you haven't missed a goal. And that's been won straight back. And it's Brozovic. Sosa. And it's Perisic. It's run loose here. A real chance to break. Messi. Modric. And it's half-time here. So neither team has broken through, but certainly not for the want of trying. It's been an interesting game up to now, but still goalless. Reflections on the first half?
Well, this has proved a very frustrating day so far, especially for the strikers. Nothing has been created for them. I think the service has been extremely poor.
Argentina head to the dressing room, not yet having broken through. Tight, cagey game. Neither team any further forward than they were when they started out. And we're already back underway here.
At least there's always a plus side to a scoreless half. Defences are doing what they should, and it's going to take good imagination to break the deadlock here.
And here's Messi. Di Maria. Oh, the ball's run loose here. He'll try to keep this alive.
We're seeing some really good pressure being applied here, Peter, particularly from those guys up front.
Yeah, and it just, I suppose, Jim, denies the others time and space.
Well, I would call it blanket suffocation. Every single player is committed.
Yeah, he's fouled him there. And he's going to have his name taken. And we have the first chance from a dead ball situation. It's an Argentina free kick. It's run loose. Who's going to get there? He's had a hit! Keeper pulls off a fine save.
Well, what can I say? Truly wonderful goalkeeping.
The attendance for this match was 71,649.
And it's gone back to the keeper. Otamendi. Gomez. Vlasic. And they can counter here. He's found a way through. Interesting ball. Great work on the overlap. Molina is there to heave it away. Can he put it away? He scores!
Perhaps deserves a little bit of sympathy here, because that's a goalkeeper's nightmare. It's clear that the keeper was unsighted by his defence, and by the time he picked up the flight of that, it was too late.
The goal scorer for Croatia after 69 minutes is number 13, Formasi.
Croatia break the deadlock.
Well, when the going gets tough, etc., they can still turn this round, I think.
That's been intercepted. Oh, that's a nice ball. He's got away. Referee has just said play on. Brozovic. Out to the left it goes. He's left his man. Kovacic. And that has left him in a heap.
Croatia clearly have been instructed to kill this off.
The referee's awarded a free kick. Hit into the middle. Keeper sees it all the way. Well, that's been cut out, well played. Vlasic. Tagliafico.
Croatia probably could have killed things off, but they should be okay here.
Now it's Messi. Now it's Messi.
I thought it was going to happen then. How many more chances can they realistically expect now?
There will be 1 minute added time.
Nice little ball through. He's played him through. He's in. Kramaric! Oh, the ball's come loose here. And time is up. Always in the balance, and in the end, one goal was enough. They are narrowly beaten.
I've been in this position myself, and this will be difficult to take. They did everything right but score, but at least I suppose they can reflect on a few positives from this one.
Quick request for support.
So many thanks to Jim Beglin. That's all we have time for.